how to reset your Apple ID password if you forgot it. Today in this video, we'll see exactly how to do that in two different methods, so please follow up with me. First, you need to open your settings app and then tap on your name in the top right here. From here, tap on password and security. And at the top of the screen, you'll find the change password button. All you need to do is to tap on it and then type in your PIN code. And once you do that, you'll be taken to this screen right here, in which you'll need to just type in your new password, and once you're done, tap on change in the top right corner. And that was it for the first method. In the second method, you go to your browser and type in iforgot.apple.com. It will take you to this website. It is by Apple. From here, tap on reset password. And now just type in your Apple ID and of course the security code right here, and then tap on continue. After that, type in your password that is attached to your Apple ID account and then tap on continue. It will take you to this page, and now from here, once you tap on allow, you'll be taken to a screen in which you'll need to just fill in your password and tap on change. If you can't have that, tap on do not allow and you'll be given more options once you tap right here. And then from here, these are the options that you get. You can reset your password while signing into a new device, you can use another friend's device, or you can go to an Apple store and use their device. Of course, if you can do that, you can just tap on unable to use any of these methods. It will take you to the screen, tap on continue anyway. After that, just wait for a while and Apple will get back to you with a solution. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.